Standard reporting often requires manual data exports and local model rebuilding, which can slow down the analysis of large datasets. By linking Power BI's front end to Oracle's enterprise modeling, you can visualize live data without having to move or restructure the underlying architecture. To create this link, we will configure the Preview connector that allows Microsoft Power BI Desktop to communicate directly with Oracle Analytics Cloud. This diagram illustrates the workflow. Power BI users can natively query the existing semantic models within Oracle Analytics. This allows your team to stay in their preferred visualization environment while drawing from a centralized data source. To begin, ensure you have Power BI Desktop installed, your Oracle Analytics URL ready, and your login credentials available. Completing this setup means your local reports will now draw directly from the governed, curated models maintained in your cloud environment. The first phase is preparing the local software to recognize and accept this specific cloud data source. Since the connector is in Preview, adjust the internal settings. In Power BI, open the File menu and navigate to Options and Settings. Select the Preview Features tab. Find the Oracle Analytics Cloud connector and check the box to enable it. If you do not enable this specific feature, the Oracle connector will not appear as an option when you attempt to search for data sources in the next step. This configuration is a required step. It tells Power BI to look for the external data extension we are about to use. With the environment prepared, we can now establish the active connection to your data. Open the Get Data menu and use the search bar. Typing Oracle Analytics filters the list to our Preview connector. Select it to open the prompt. Paste your Oracle Analytics Cloud URL into the server field, then enter your credentials to authenticate. If the connection is not established immediately, check for common issues like session timeouts or a lack of specific user permissions on the Oracle server. If you encounter these errors, the Oracle Help Center provides an FAQ and a troubleshooting guide specifically for this connector. Once the credentials are accepted, the bridge between your desktop software and the cloud-hosted enterprise data is active. After the connection is verified, the interface will update to show the available data structures. The Power BI Navigator window will now display a tree view of your Oracle Analytics subject areas and data models. Simply select the tables you need for your report and hit Load to bring that metadata into your active workspace. You can confirm the integration was successful by looking at the Fields pane on the right side of your screen. Your selected tables should now be listed there. The remote enterprise data is now available locally, allowing you to manipulate and analyze it as if it were a local file. The setup is complete, and your data environments are now synchronized. You can now begin dragging data fields from the Oracle model directly onto the Power BI canvas to generate visualizations. Use these active fields to start building your first integrated dashboard with live enterprise data. For information on more advanced tasks, such as remote semantic modeling or JDBC querying, refer to the documentation in the Oracle Help Center. This single connection point provides a persistent link that allows you to apply Power BI's visualization tools to the full scale of your enterprise data architecture.